Learning English is not only about grammar rules or vocabulary lists. It is about training your brain to think, understand, and respond in English naturally. When your brain feels comfortable with English, speaking and writing become easy, almost automatic. But how can you train your brain for a new language? Especially if you are a beginner and English feels like a mountain too high to climb? The answer is simple. Train it step by step, every single day. Use methods that make your brain active, curious, and hungry for more. 1. Understand how the brain learns a language. Your brain is like a muscle. Muscles grow when you exercise daily. Your brain grows stronger in English when you use it regularly. If you study only once a week, you will forget most of it. But if you touch English every single day, even for 10 or 15 minutes, your brain will build new connections. Rule number 1. Train every day, no matter how small the practice is. 2. Start thinking in English. Many beginners translate from their native language. For example, मुझे भूख लगी है, I am hungry. But translation is slow and tiring. In real conversations, you don't have time to translate. You must think directly in English. Start simple. I am hungry. I want tea. It is raining. Look around you. If you see a chair, say chair. If you see the sky, say sky. At first it feels strange, but slowly your brain will accept English words naturally. 3. Talk to yourself in English. Speak to yourself in English. When you wake up, say good morning. Today I will do my best. While brushing, say I am brushing my teeth. Before sleeping, say today was a good day. Your own voice is enough. This habit makes English a part of your daily life. 4. Listen like a child. Babies don't study grammar. They listen to their parents again and again. Slowly their brain catches the words. Do the same. Listen to English songs. Watch movies or YouTube videos in English. Play English news in the background. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain will recognize sounds and patterns. Listening makes speaking easier. 5. Shadowing technique. This method trains quick reactions. Step 1. Play a short English clip. Step 2. Pause it. Step 3. Repeat exactly as the speaker said it. Copy the tone and speed. It feels like you are shadowing their voice. 6. Build a vocabulary notebook. Don't try to learn 10,000 words in a month. Learn 5 words every day. Write them in a notebook or app. Add meaning and example sentences. For example, word, journey. Meaning, travel from one place to another. Sentence, my English journey is just beginning. Use new words daily. Your brain will store them permanently. 7. Read simple English daily. Reading feeds your brain with English. Start with easy books or blogs. Read short stories. Read aloud if possible. This gives double practice, seeing and speaking. Even 10 minutes a day can rewire your brain. 8. Write a daily journal. Writing is thinking on paper. Write 3 to 5 sentences about your day. Example, today I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I was happy because I spoke politely. This habit improves sentence making and reduces grammar mistakes. 9. Fight self-doubt. Every beginner thinks, my English is bad. People will laugh. I will never improve. But remember, English is not about perfection. It is about connection. You don't need to sound like a British or American. You only need to express yourself clearly. Say to yourself, I am training my brain. Every day I am getting better. 10. Practice instant answers. In real life, questions come suddenly. You don't get 5 minutes to prepare. Write common questions in a notebook. What is your favorite food? Who is your role model? What do you want to achieve in life? Answer immediately without thinking too much. This builds fast reflexes. 11. Surround yourself with English. Make your environment your teacher. Change your phone settings to English. Put labels in your room, mirror, door, window. Follow English pages online. When you live in English, your brain learns faster. 12. Find a mentor or partner. Practice with a friend or teacher if possible. If not, self-talk, listening and writing are enough. 13. Celebrate small wins. The first time you speak a full sentence, the first time you understand a movie line, the first time you think in English without translating. Celebrate these moments. They build confidence. Training your brain for English is like planting a seed. You water it daily. You give it sunlight. You protect it from weeds. Slowly it grows into a strong tree. At first, English may feel heavy and confusing. But with daily practice, thinking, listening, speaking, reading and writing, your brain will accept it as normal. Remember, touch English every day. Think in English, don't translate. Don't chase perfection, chase communication. Celebrate progress, however small. One day, English will not feel like a subject. It will feel like a part of who you are. And you will say, I did not just learn English. I trained my brain to create a new world. How did you like the video? Let us know in the comments below. For more inspirational stories, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.